Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker, and I will show you how you can connect this device to your Android smartphone. So at the first you have to click and hold this button on your speaker. So let's make it. And right now we can release that button when you hear that prompt notification sound. And when the indicator is blinking, it means that this device is in the pairing mode. So we have to move to our smartphone. So simply open notification bar, then click and hold the Bluetooth icon and click to pair new device. Tap on the switcher, and after 3 moments this speaker will be right here, so we can simply tap on it. Then confirm by tapping on the pair, and as you can see, after 3 moments we are connected. So we can, for example, play music. And as you can see, that's how it works. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.